Guys, this is my finished product, all done. Plantain porridge. My plantain porridge made with green plantains. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Welcome back to Hands Happy Place, where we have smoothies, Jamaican dishes, and lots of many other delicious dishes on my channel. So welcome back. Today I will be doing for you some plantain porridge. So I have here some green plantain cut up, or 2 green plantains, and some powdered coconut milk. I have my vanilla, some cinnamon powder and nutmeg, and a little salt to be added. I have my sugar. You can use any sugar you prefer. And to sweeten to taste, I have my condensed milk. So I'm gonna get that ready soon. So I have here my blender, which I'm going to blend up my plantain. Then okay, I have my water here heating up. So as soon as it's boiling, I'm gonna add my ingredients. So in the meantime, I'm going to blend up my plantain. Plantain I have already soaked in some water here. I'm gonna fry some water boiling with my cinnamon stick. So I'm gonna get started. I'm gonna add the plantain to my bullets. Okay. That's that. I'm gonna be adding a little bit more water in this to blend it. Alright. So guys, I'm gonna be blending up my plantain right now. Okay. Okay, it's all blend. I'm gonna add this to the pot. Gonna be adding my powdered milk. So guys, if you want to see my porridge, let me turn on the flame a bit. Yes. Guys, this is how my porridge look. Okay, my plantain porridge. This is how it looks. Alright, guys, I just added a teaspoon of salt in here. So I'm stirring it now. gonna add my nutmeg and cinnamon. Teaspoon of vanilla. Allow this to cook for about 20 minutes and then my porridge is ready. Easy plantain porridge. Continues to cook. Continue to give it some stir. And it's all done now, guys. I'm gonna sweeten to taste with some sugar and some condensed milk. So you can sweeten it with any milk you prefer, whether cow's milk, sweetened milk, milk powder and sugar alone. That's up to you, your taste, your flavor. Guys, this is my finished product, all done. Plantain porridge. My plantain porridge made with green plantains. Try this easy porridge, guys. It takes less than 30 minutes to prepare and your children will love it. Okay, they will love it. They will. Remember to like this video, share it with your friends and families. Don't forget to subscribe and watch all my other videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, guys, bye. My plantain porridge. Easy, delicious meal, good for the entire family. Okay.